What if reversing wrinkles was as easy as cracking an egg? This isn't your average DIY mask. It starts with one egg and ends with glowing skin. It's been called a skin smoothing miracle, and today I'll show you how to make it step by step, using ingredients that tighten, brighten, and restore your glow. And if you stay with me till the end, there's a surprise ingredient that takes this mask to a whole new level. Before we get glowing, hit that like button and subscribe for real remedies that rebuild your skin, not just cover it up. Expensive creams promise miracles, but most sit on the surface. The truth is, your skin needs nutrients, not hype. As we age, collagen declines, pores enlarge, and elasticity fades. That's why this mask works. It helps rebuild what time takes away, and costs just cents to make. This mask delivers because it's packed with protein and vitamin A from the egg, pore tightening from the egg white, and deep hydration from castor oil, which also calms inflammation, boosts circulation, and supports collagen repair. It's gentle, powerful, and skin transforming. Alright, here's how to make the mask. First, crack one whole egg into a bowl, then whisk until it's smooth and just a bit frothy. Next, add 2 to 3 drops of castor oil. Its thick texture really helps seal in moisture, and those natural fatty acids support firm, radiant skin. Now, apply a thin layer to clean skin using your fingers or a brush, whatever feels easiest. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. Finally, rinse with lukewarm water and gently pat your skin dry. Right after rinsing, you'll absolutely notice it. Your skin feels lifted, firm, and honestly, baby soft. It's almost like your skin just drank a tall glass of water, and with continued use, you can expect tighter pores, softened fine lines, and a natural radiance that just keeps getting stronger. Egg whites contain albumin, which is a natural skin-firming protein that shrinks pores and calms acne. Egg yolks, on the other hand, are packed with vitamin A, B-complex, lecithin, and zinc, the dream team for restoring elasticity and rebuilding aging skin from within. Eating eggs nourishes your skin from the inside out. Their amino acids and healthy fats help rebuild structure, improve elasticity, and keep skin youthful, especially for women over 40. And here's the glow booster I promised: turmeric. Just a pinch adds anti-inflammatory power, brightens skin, and helps fade pigmentation. Think of it as nature's retoucher, small but powerful. To recap, use one egg, a few drops of castor oil, and a pinch of turmeric. 2 to 3 times a week is all it takes. Be consistent, be patient, and remember, real beauty starts with nourishment, not filters. Like what you saw? Tap that thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with someone who deserves to feel radiant too. This video is for informational purposes only. Always patch test first and consult your doctor if you have sensitive skin or allergies.